We're about to say goodbye to 2012, but not before we talk about some of the top legal cases of the year. For that, we bring in the legal guys. Avery Friedman, a civil rights attorney and law professor, is in my hometown, Cleveland, and Richard Herman, a New York criminal defense attorney and law professor who joins us from Las Vegas. Hello, happy holidays to both of you guys.
Hey, same to you, Marty. All the best.
All right, well, let's talk first, Jerry Sandusky. A few things to bring up here. As we all remember, Sandusky was the Penn State assistant football coach who was convicted in June on 45 counts of child sexual abuse. He's now serving 30 to 60 years in prison. Jerry Sandusky says that he is focused on his appeal. He's got a hearing that I believe set for January 10th on his post-trial motions. And guys, there's a newspaper in northeastern Pennsylvania that says Sandusky sent a handwritten note saying that he is trying to endure, and there was a lot more to it, but I'll leave it at that, and learn from his circumstances. And he also had this to say about his trial, quote, "Nobody who covered the case and reported it had the time or took the time to study the allegations, the accusers, the inconsistency, and the methods. Justice and fairness were not a focus."
Marty, you know, when you go to the doctor for a physical and they check the reflex in your knee, that's what happens in these cases when you get convicted. I'm going to take an appeal. It's like a reflex. You cannot appeal the facts of the case. This is no appeal here for Sandusky. Ineffective assistance of counsel will be the lead grounds. Other than that, that's not going to fly here. He is going to die, rightfully so, in prison where he belongs. But the big story here, it's not that McQuarrie's a hero, because he was not a hero. He observed the young boy being anally raped and did nothing about it to stop it. The big problem here is Joe Paterno, Marty. It all goes back to Joe Paterno, law and order, Mr. Integrity. 1998, he knew there were allegations of Sandusky. In 2002, he was told of a precise incident, and he allowed Sandusky on campus in the athletic facilities around young boys and did nothing about it.